going to solve a word problem using the 8 steps of model drawing. The first step is to read the entire problem. Max divided 20 kilograms of rice into 2 bags so that an equal amount was in both bags. How many kilograms of rice were there in each bag? Step 2. Who is involved in the problem? Max. And so we write Max underneath the word problem. Nobody else is involved. Then we decide what is involved in the problem. So is it kilograms of rice or is it bags? I think we're going to go with kilograms of rice. You could say bags of rice, and that would be correct too. Step number 4, draw unit bars of equal length. So we'll draw our 1 unit bar because we have when, who, and what there. Step number 5, the most important one, read each sentence one at a time. So let's read the first sentence. Max divided 20 kilograms of rice into 2 bags so that an equal amount was in both bags. Stop right there. We've got a period that tells us that's the end of our sentence. Now there's a lot of information in this sentence, so let's just deal with a little bit of it at a time. The first part says he had 20 kilograms of rice. So how are we going to show that on the unit bar? That was the whole amount of rice that Max has. Well, we could draw 20 unit bars. Each one is 1 kilogram of rice. That could work. I don't really want to draw 20. So what we could do is draw 20 kilograms on top. It's important to put this little kg here so that we know we're not talking about pounds or ounces or grams. It's very important to put the unit of measurement there. 20 kilograms, that's the whole amount. Now I'm going to draw over here our whole story. 20 kilograms is the whole amount, okay? All right. Now, Max divided 20 kilograms of rice into how many bags? 2 bags. So we've already dealt with this. 2 bags. How are we going to do that? Here's a clue word. The clue word is divided. So we're going to divide this unit bar into 2. And we want to make both sides as equal as possible. So I'm just going to eyeball it here without measuring. And I think that's about right down the middle. This side is 1 bag. And this side is 1 bag. There's our 2 bags. So you'll notice on the unit bar, there is not a number 2. That's okay. We still have our 2 bags here. And that is part of this thing right here. 20 is the whole amount. He divided them into 2 bags. 20 is the whole amount. And he's divided his rice into 2 bags. Okay, now let's read the next sentence. How many kilograms of rice were there in each bag? So what's the question? What's the part we don't know? We know the whole amount is 20 kilograms of rice. We know that he has 2 bags, but we don't know how much is in each bag. We only have 1 question, so we have 1 question mark. So in this unit bar, this part of the unit bar, we'll just put a dot. Or you could put 3 dots for I don't know, let's find out. Over here, we'll just put a question mark because we don't know that answer just yet. To find out, we have to do step number 7. 6 was our question mark. Step number 7 is work the computation to the side or underneath. There's really only one way to solve this one. You have to divide. So he started out with 20 kilograms of rice. He divided them into 2 bags. Okay. Well, to figure out the quotient, remember the quotient is the answer to a division problem. It would be easier if you knew your multiplication facts. If you knew what number times 2 equals 20, well, you already have this figured out. Or you could draw an array. You could draw 20 circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then divide those into groups of 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Now I need to count my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, 10. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Let's check ourselves. What's the product of 10 times 2? It's 20. Very good. So we know that the answer is 10. And you can put a little equal sign here as 10. 10 in that bag, 10 in that bag. We're not finished yet. We have to answer the question in a complete sentence. The question is, how many kilograms of rice were there in each bag? We answer it using PQPA, which is part question, part answer. How many kilograms of rice were there in each bag? There were 10 kilograms of rice in each bag. Look at how many words we're going to use from that question in the answer. Always begin your sentence with a capital letter. There were 10 kilograms of rice in each bag. Period. That answers the question. Just for fun, let's do a fact family with this. So a fact family with multiplication and division looks like this. Remember, in the family, you know what, I'm going to move this rice. And in a family, there are no strange numbers. In this fact family, we will only use a 20 and a 2 and a 10. Okay, and so you can start with your multiplication facts with the quotient is going to be 20. We know that because 2 times 10 equals 20. And you can flip-flop your multiples. 10 times 2 equals 20. With division, you'll start with the whole amount and then flip-flop these two. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. So there's your fact family with multiplication of 2 and 10 and 20. And there you have it.